You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. This morning, we have Forex, Soupy, TT, Michael, Never Go, Full Regard. Good morning, Luke. Quickset, J. Luke, Uncle Bart, J. Prouse, Hockey, Shane, Yama, Cube, Prime Cap, Break Even, Steven, TDG, Carter in the building, Ripsmont, what's up? What's cracking? What's happening? SPX, Rattlesnake Reserve, everybody. What's going down, baby? Just getting one of my videos queued up here. So much content. My goodness. We are just dancing around 27,050 right now. Yeah, last night was insane. This morning was insane. So much room for activities lately in this market. It's been really a nice week of momentum lately. I've loved this. It's been fantastic. Huge fan of this market. It's awesome. It's been a real treat. Been a big fan of it. How you guys all doing in this market? It's been a very nice momentum market. There we go. More momentum. My goodness. Just momentum everywhere you look, isn't it? It's great. So we basically retraced that whole flush from yesterday. We retraced it, and then we flushed it again, then we retraced half of it, flushed it again, and now we've retraced the full flush. It's great. Well, almost. Pretty close. Close enough in my book. It's been freaking crazy, dude. It's been nuts. What a market. Hold on, I'm almost done here. And we're still pushing up. All right. Wait, Fat Guy's here? No, he's not. There's no way. No. He's not here. Why are you tagging him like he's here? Wait, he is here. What the fuck? Yo, are you lost, brother? Fat Guy's here. You lost, pal? You're in a kick stream with a bunch of prop firm traders. Are you lost, sir? I think you might be lost. Take a look at what Don't Drink said. Trade C may be gone, tilt and blow 2 accounts when I was 3 away from passing one. Apparently, if you set up copy trade there, it copy trades regardless of what other platform you trade. Huh? I don't. Type it slowly, review before you press enter, type the full story, and then we can talk about it. Because that sentence did not make any sense. You guys do have a chance before you press enter. There's not like a time limit from when you type out a paragraph before you have to press enter. Like, you can actually proofread it before you press enter. It's perfectly fine. I promise you. First predictions live. What's up, Rips? I gotta take my wife gambling this weekend thanks to your Insta post. What was the Insta post? I was copy trading on Quantower, works fine. I set it up on TradeC for when I'm on the road. When I turned it off on Quantower, it kept copying without me knowing because it was set up on TradeC. Limited in how much you can type, so I had to chop it up. I'm still lost. So you're copying on Quantower. Wait, we're using one of those bullshit things like prop sinker, trade sinker, or fuck sinker, or ball sack, or fucking dipshit copy fuck. What, we're using one of those things? Because that's where I'm just like completely, I don't understand at all. Built-in trade copier. So what does Quantower have to do with TradeC? 6-7. I'm so confused. I'm so fucking confused, brother. No clue. You lost me, bro. What does this have to do with TradeC? I mean, sorry. I have no idea what you're talking about. Dude, I have no idea. You're talking about 2 different trading platforms. You lost me completely, brother. No fucking clue. Not a clue. Sorry. No fucking clue, man. Does anybody know what he's talking about? He says he set up his copy trader on Quantower and then he went to trade on TradeC, but it was still copying. That's like me saying like, dude, I fucked Carlos's mom and then when I went over to see fucking your mom, her pussy was dripping wet because I fucked Carlos's mom. It's mutually exclusive of one or the other. Like when I fuck Carlos's mom before I fuck your mom, the pussies are completely different. So I have no idea what you're talking about. No clue, brother. Sorry. Not a clue. No clue what you're talking about. You're talking about 2 different trading platforms right now. Confusing the shit out of me, bro. Quantower is not TradeC. TradeC is not Quantower. You understand that, right? Hey, Rips, I'm having issues with my Bic lighter. Any suggestions? Use lotion before you stroke it. Exactly my point, brother. What the fuck? Oh my God, bro. I have no idea, man. No clue. No clue. No clue, man. You've sufficiently confused me this morning. What first of all, what prop firm are you using, by the way? What prop firm are you using, bro? Lucid. Yeah, I have no fucking idea, man. Reach out to Lucid support. I have no fucking idea. No clue. Because if you're talking about funded seat, you can't even do that. Funded seat, you can't trade a Quantower account on TradeC. So I have no fucking idea, brother. That's a question for Lucid support. No fucking clue, bro. First, when I drive my W1, it feels like my Yukon. I have no idea why. It might be because you're actually in a Yukon. I'm just gonna throw that one out there. It just might be because you're in a Yukon. Was there news that caused the move up? Let me see. I wasn't even at my machine when that happened. I think we're just getting good old-fashioned price action. Not seeing anything, not seeing anything. A lot of earnings this morning, but I'm not seeing anything. No. Did the trade seed account get fixed? You guys didn't watch the Globex stream, huh? You guys are missing out, man. Or Twitter. Not on Twitter, not on Globex stream. Come on. Jeez. Hey Ropes, I'm debating internally to lock my account with my minimum profit required on my Lucid fund. I got nothing else to trade. Should I lock it? Yes. Why would you not lock it? What would be the reason of why you don't want to lock it? You lost me. I think honestly, I'm kind of understanding what you're saying, Drink and Root. I think that Trade C connects your copiers at a rhythmic level. I'm guessing that that's what happens. So I have no idea, bro. I've never done that. I don't trade with two different platforms. Sure. Wow, we are selling off here now. Pretty decently, too. Be curious if we actually broke below where we opened at 8 o'clock. Let's see. Price action's been fantastic lately. This has been fantastic. We are coming down here. We're at 7160 in the S&Ps. It is a question of whether or not that will break. We have a lot of levels here too. Bottom of the hour, we are going to have some news coming out. So we will wait for that. We are going to have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. It's Thursday, so we get continuing jobless claims. And then some Canadian bullshit data. If you like maple syrup, go for it. Or how many contracts you usually jump on a trade with? Depends. I mean, it's like saying, like, if a pitcher throws a ball towards you and you're at bat, what type of swing you doing? How do you get your news? BT. Can we trade maple syrup? Yes, maple syrup futures. The symbol is FKU. Unders? Yes, it is. Okay, 5 minutes for this prediction. There you go. Go nuts. Arabs, where do you derive those levels from that you give us in the Instagram group? Are they options, level, volume, profit, support, resistance? Thanks. It is the MC levels, which is a proprietary formula that I developed over the years. And I don't share how they're derived, but I give hints here and there. Large funds, positioning, options levels, GEX, etc. Think in that realm. You'll never figure it out. I'm not worried about that, but I just don't go into how I developed that formula and worked on it. So enjoy the levels or don't. It doesn't change my life. The levels are on the Instagram private group. They're in the Instagram private group. The Instagram private group is free. If you want to join it, go to my story, click the join button. Simple. Yeah, they've been posted. Scroll up. We're auctioning underneath 50 again. We have 10 minutes until the bottom of the hour. It's just too close to the bottom of the hour right now. We had a rejection at the 1 hour mid for a pitch and catch, but I took absolutely zero of it. So we're holding at these 40s again, which is 7160 in the S&Ps. A lot of people still trying to bid 40s here. A lot of sellers though, a lot of sellers. It just depends on how many icebergs there are here per break lower. I'd like to see one more bounce. It'll be lovely. Don't think we're gonna get it though. Possibly 28s now. Watching 28s here. We're below 71.6, so you're probably going to tag 71.50. It's so close to the bottom of the hour, though. Haven't seen a single bounce to short into this. It's kind of annoying. Guys, if you're looking for the Instagram group, all you have to do is watch my story on Instagram. That's it. Just watch my Instagram story. If you don't know how to watch my Instagram story, click the circle in my profile, my face. You'll see my Instagram story. Post my story very actively every single day. There's a story in there that says join group. Click the button that says join group. Literally. Right there. Can't make it any easier. There's fucking arrows pointing at the button to click. People are still messaging me. How do I join? Click the highlighted icon next to his name. Right? That is not that's not correct, Ripsmore, at all. Nice, 52 down to 25. Love to see it. Something about reclassing marijuana. It says this feature isn't available to everyone yet. Are you on the app? Are you on the app? Download the latest version, update your version of the app. Tilray is popping. Wow, that's a name I haven't heard in a while. All right, I'll be right back. We're going to be here for the 8:30 news. Be right back. Three minutes until the news drops. Jobless claims coming out. Jobless claims. Oh, click Rip's image that is highlighted next to his name. You will see channel pop-ups. Free to join. Yes, that's true. Just click my circle on my profile. Circle of my face. Click my face. My face. Yo. Leslie, thanks for making it over to Kick. It's way better here, by the way. Way fucking better here, buddy. You're gonna enjoy Kick way more than YouTube. YouTube is, you know, it's for the birds, buddy. Can you trade news on Funded Seed and Lucid? Yes. As far as I know, yeah. You can trade them also on Alpha Advanced accounts too. It's fucking goated. This isn't Kick, this is my work desk. That's funny. All right, so let's look for a reaction on the news. I know we're so close to 10K Kicksters. We have 93.92 right now. It's fucking so close, dude. So very, very close. On Alpha, you can trade the news in the advanced accounts, Tim. So you're incorrect on that. We don't trade those fucking bullshit accounts where it's the fucking news rules. Those are for the birds as well. The only difference between funded seat daily and daily pro is that there's no daily loss limit in daily pro. All right, let's see what happens here. Guessing on this pullback, the fact that we're holding, we're probably going to find a bit of an uptick here. What's up, Fred? How are you? "30 seconds. Get ready." Remember, the clock is right above my head here, below the RIP spinning logo. That is the current market time. If you're not seeing it close to what the actual time is, then come watch over on Kick, kick.com/rips. It's way better. Yeah, consistency on daily versus daily pros. Yep, correct. 35, 40, 55, or 50. Here we go. Chicago Fed minus 0.2 versus minus 0.13. Very little change. Jobless claims 214,000 versus 210,000, pretty much in line. Continuing claims, literally in line. So boring. Fuck. One of these days, they're gonna fucking do some bullshit estimate, and then we're gonna shoot it over or shoot it under. So nothing. And nobody cares about Canada. As far as US traders. I don't mean that to the Canadian viewers. I have 7,100 points. Can I take the Ferrari for the weekend? Yes. Absolutely. They're talking about, state regulators talking about it, marijuana being reclassified, so starting to rise here. I said it'd be likely that we see an uptick, and we're seeing that right now. Not much. Somebody will add a zero to, dude, I've seen it. I've seen some crazy jobless claims moves. Rips, how do I join your live journal or Zanga group? You have to, for the live journal, you have to, there's tryouts every Thursday. You have to sing an MCR song. And if the judges think it's appropriate, you get admittance into the live journal. Tonight is gonna be the night. It's actually pretty good. It's gonna be pretty good. But yeah, the live journal cooks, bro. Fucking cooks. It's not my chemical bro, dude. Chill out, bro. Calm down. Dude, Gerard would never sing that. Dude, like never. He would never sing that song, bro. That's not him. Can we get through 40s? They're kind of front running these 40s right now. We're holding at 40s. It's a lot of ping pong right now, a lot of indecision. Johnny says, had a nice dinner in New York last night with my friends visiting from Vegas. It's so nice when friends come to visit. Amazing that some people will travel across the country to visit friends. Yeah, you should come out to Vegas, man. Be great. Awesome to see you, man. Assuming that's what you mean. Be so great to see you. Yeah, you should travel from New York to Vegas, brother. Be awesome. Good idea. Good comms, brother. That'd be great. Would be amazing. All right, we're pushing up into this juicy liquidity up here. We're still underneath 50s. There's a hard stop there at 35 now. I'm gonna try this short. See if we can hang underneath 50s here. There's that liquidity up higher, but I'm trying to target being weak underneath 50s. So let's see what happens. There's that little bit of liquidity up there. We're kind of in an uptrend. We break that uptrend, we could snap all the way to 30s. So that's kind of what I'm looking for here. Nice move to the downside. I want to see us cutting through that 35 level. Big level there at 35. If we can fail those 35s, I love this. It's all about failing those 35s though. Literally has to like slice those 35s super deep. And then we hit 29 halves on that pullback. Let's see. Watching? Give me that 29 halves. It's all I need. 29 halves. Right through those 30s. Smack it. Smack it. They're trying. There's a lot of liquidity. They're front running these 30s. There's a good chance that we could still get there. Just have to believe. They're holding slightly above 35, but I think that they can crack this again. There's a lot of sellers here pouring into this. So front running at 32 now. But it's really not that hard to crack these 30s. It's really not on this pull. Get a little tiny crack here. Front running at 32, watching for the pull of 30s. Right here on this dash down. Can we get that connection through 30s? Show me potato salad. Short little connection through those 30s is all I need. Right now holding 32. $32 is kind of a big line in the sand there. Watching to see if we can hold underneath 40s. They're testing the waters again. 34 is holding. Watching here. Just need to snap that 32 player. Should be able to do it on this little pole. Right there. Snap him. Snap him. There you go. Right there. Oh, come on. Stop freaking doing that nonsense, guys. They want it so bad. There's a little fucking sprinkle underneath that 32 player that they're going for, but somebody keeps jumping in with a little small iceberg that gets in the way of this fucking action. See if we can get that little dash. Right there. You guys want it so bad. Just do it. Just fucking do it. Right there. God, they're so annoying. Oh, I hate them so much. I know exactly what they're trying to do, but they're just like, they're getting a little rousty above that 32 level. Watching 35s now for the pull. They should pull this liquidity at 35 instantly here. Oh, it's so close to happening. It's so close to happening, dude. Watch this. If they could pull this 35 lick, it's done. It's fucking lights out, baby. Literally. Just dash it. So close to the peppering. I hate these guys at 35. They're so annoying. They're being such pussies about it. Okay. Okay. Go, go, go. Just stop being pussies. Stop being such a fucking vaginas, bro. Go. Right there at 32. Send it. Send it. Oh, right there. You're fucking right there. Stop being pussies. Stop being fucking pussies. Yeah. Stop being pussies now. Stop being pussies now. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Bang. Bang. You know what we call that? You know what we call that?
headshot.
That's what we call a sack lunch. That's what we call a sack lunch. That's what we call a sack lunch. We call a sack lunch. We call a sack lunch.
Yeah, that's right. Payout number 3, secured. Bang. That's right. Payout number 3. Payout number 3. Hold on. Let's make sure that all the copiers are working now. Yes. 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 Oh, ah! What are you doing? Why? What the fuck? Why is there always one fucking... What are you doing? Why? Well, you know, I'm gonna tell him again. There's always one. There's always one. Wait, hold on. Let me refresh. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah, there's always one. What the fuck? Why is there always one? That's so weird. Yeah, I refreshed. I refreshed. All right, I'm just gonna tell them again. At least it didn't like fucking go completely haywire. I'm using Trade C. Yeah, we knew that they're going to pull that. Dude, the moment that they pulled that 32, what happened? Look at that. God, just like, nobody reads the flow like Ripsy. I'm just telling you guys right now. Nobody reads the fucking flow like Ripsy. Ain't nobody doing this shit. And if they are, they're like, dude. Actually, no, they're not. I was going to say they're fucking broccoli-haired weirdos with a Discord, but they don't know how to read flow. They just fucking chart without volume. Dipshits. Who else caught that? Drop a W in chat. I'm slapping my balls against my leg right now. Ah, it feels so good. Can't read flow if you ain't got flow. That's right. Can't read the flow if you ain't got no motion. That's a fact, baby. That's a fucking fact. So what are we gonna get today? Let's see. 1660, 88 times 5 times 0.9. $7,400 coming to the bank tonight. Let's go, baby. Unders for the win? Is she now? Is she now? Is she now? Okay. Fair enough. There you go. Let's do another one.
Another one.
Okay. Let's do this. 56. No, let's do 906. All right, 5 minutes for this prediction. AC7070, what's your name on the cord, brother? Is it the same thing? No, it's not. What's your name on the cord, brother? So I can fucking light you up. I is confused retard. You have 5 accounts. You should already have 10 payouts. Why are you not live? Isn't it? I don't know. Isn't it 4 payouts per account? I don't know. I don't know how it works, man. I'm not a fucking doctor. 4 per account. There you go. Yo, fucking Papa in the building. Oh my God, with the animation too? Holy shit, you got the forged carbon, brother. I bet you don't have a tractor with forged carbon. Give it up for... Wait, why'd you ban that person? Oh, now I see. Jesus. The fuck out of here. Not you, Papa. I love you, pal. I love your name too. It's fucking hilarious. Hey, Ribs, what was your payout last month? What do you mean? I don't know. 40,000 or something? You have a Lambo tractor. You have exactly what they created when they started as a company. That's amazing. Seriously, what the fuck is wrong with people seeing people come in and spam messages about their own stream and stuff? I don't know, man. I mean, I would too if I was them. I'd be like, dude, this guy's so dope. Let me see if I can steal some of his community because they're very fucking cool. Oh, have you not, AC, have you never been in there before? Is that the thing? And did you just DM me on Twitter? Yeah, so you've never been on, okay, yeah, okay. I thought you had. Here you go. I'm sending it. I'm giving you the code. Right, Chmao. There you go. Oh my God, slow down. Somebody stop this man. He's going fucking crazy. Holy shit. Papa Leslie Farkas. You dirty dog, you. Come out to Vegas. Let's have some Snake River Farms, dog. What a fucking G. Rips, does the possibility exist of a meet and greet in Vegas? Rent out the Sphere, possibly? Whoa, rich man. I'll split it with you, Big How. That might be a little pricey. Probably like a fucking, I guess, I'm not joking, it's probably like $2 to $5 million to rent that thing out. I would think. I mean, the electricity bill for that thing, for renting it out for like, let's just say you rent it, like, you're gonna cost them so it's like, fuck, that's gotta be expensive. Trade live in the street, bro, that would be the, if you've never been in the Sphere, you have no idea what you're missing, but I'm just saying, like, trading live, dude, Bookmap on the Sphere screen would be like, holy shit, that'd be so sick. That'd be insane, bro. That'd like literally be one of the coolest things you could ever experience, if I'm being honest. Boom, 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 boom. Holy shit. Man, why weren't we fucking short when that happened? Breaking news. Get it out. Say it, fucking. I'm putting mines in the water in the Strait of Hormuz. I've directed the Navy to put mines in the water in the Strait of Hormuz. There you go. Fucking retard stuttering while he's reading that. I've ordered the United States Navy to shoot and kill any boat, small boats though they may be, their naval ships and all 159 of them at the bottom of the sea, that is putting mines in the waters of the Strait of Hormuz. There's to be no hesitation. Additionally, our minesweepers are clearing the strait right now. I'm hereby ordering that activity to continue, but at a tripled up level. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I love that part. Thank you for your attention to this matter. It's always the best part. So, bro, sorry if you answer already. What settings do you use on Bookmap to make it look like that? Turn off vertical smoothing. That's it. Tim, what's your name in there, buddy? Is it, are you got the guy in Off Topic with the Band-Aids? Is that you? Yeah, that's you. me find you, buddy. Give me a moment. All right, bang, bang, bang. There you go, buddy. You're all set. Up 1.4 after that move. I'm done for the day. Let's go, baby. Nice work. Would it be possible to walk through the order flow of your last trade and why was 0.32 important for the flush? Yes, hold on. All right, well, let's see. Who else did I miss here? Is it $33 a month for a live feed? What's the live feed? What are we talking about here? All right, let's see. Just adding something new here. There we go. Sweet. Awesome. That's all good now. Interesting to see how the market's reacting around this because it's right at 27,000. That's a decent area. We're right above the volume shelf. Golden Knights and My Sabres got to get their shit back on track tonight. Let me see here. VGK. Damn. Tied 1-1. Damn. How old is Jack Eichel? Dude, he's so young. Am I going to any playoff games? No. I mean, I'm a fan, but the tickets were, at least what the guy who took me to the game, he offered me prices on tickets that was just like 30 grand or 40 grand or something. I was like, I like hockey, but not 40 grand worth. I'd rather go see Metallica if I'm going to drop 40 grand or whatever it was. Last night in the Flyers-Penguins game, there was 11 players. Oh my God. Was it fighting? Was it good penalties at least? What indicator is there next to price? You talk about this? Visible range volume profile? Visible range volume profile? On Bookmap? Session volume profile? SVP? Dude, I know Lars' sister personal assistant. Okay, hook it up. Let's go together, bro. Let's get a suite at the Sphere. We'll go half-seas on it. Then the Flyers scored and all 5 Flyers are celebrating the penalty. That's fucking hilarious, dude. SVP looks different than yours. That's just gotta fuck with the settings, guys. Gotta fuck with some settings. It's like Coachella tickets this year being resold 10 to 15. Dude, you know what's crazy? Worked out. Oh yeah, Otto. Are you doing anything for the Sphere lately, Otto? Gold is halted? No, it's not. What are you talking about? Gold being halted? Huh? You had me for a minute. Gold's fucking insane right now. Wow, gold will fuck you up, dog. Jesus, it's so insane. Fuck. It hit a circuit breaker a minute ago? Where? Wait, where? Where? Velocity logic event, where? I'm looking. Like that? You had a velocity logic event there. That's it though. I mean, barely. Oh, this. Oh, okay. Wait, no, yeah. Kind of, I guess, from here to here. That's it. That? Is that what we're talking about? Is it this? Oh, yeah. I mean, velocity logic events are 10 seconds, so yeah. They're kind of hard to see sometimes in Bookmap. Or maybe it was this. No. I don't know. You win. Yeah, gold is fucking crazy right now. Gold will fuck you up, son. Yeah, this is nonsense now. 27,000 is just holding. Wait, when are you coming to Speed Vegas? You guys won't be able to beat me. I'm sorry to say that. You guys have no shot. Literally no shot of beating me in speed. Like, there's a guy who came out and he's like, "Oh, I'm so good," and like, he lost to me by like 5 seconds. Like 5 seconds on a track is a lifetime, bro. National, how many hours of track experience do you have? Oh. I think in my lifetime, I probably have like 400 hours of track time. Talking about real track. Sim is, I think I probably have about 400 hours in my life. Real 5 hours, sim probably 500. Yeah, real is so much different though. Sim is whatever. Even like the crazy sims with the fucking motion and all that. It's a lot different when you're actually going, you know, close to 200 miles an hour, staring down a wall. What'd you drive, Mojo? Says you went to Speed Vegas. It's outrunning the cops. Dude, I would love, like, be the dopest thing ever to be in a police chase. Be the fucking coolest thing ever. Dude, I set the, I was the second best driver in the 296 challenge. I set the lap record for February and I set the lap record for March. I haven't been back in April. I never showed you guys the video, actually, I don't think. Let me see. I don't think I ever showed you guys the video, did I? Look, it's like not even fucking. Wasn't even close, bro. These fucking busters. No! Wrong button. Look at these fucking busters. Look at this guy trying to fucking prove himself that month. Good fucking luck, homie. Good fucking luck, dog. Get the fuck out of here. Drag my nuts on your face. And then this fucking guy. Track record. This fucking. I'm gonna fucking find this guy. And I'm gonna kneecap his legs. That's just a fact. I'm gonna literally kneecap his legs. So he's got me beat by 0.9 seconds essentially. What is that actually? Let me see what I actually have to fucking tune up for. This fucking guy. 55, 215 minus 54, 335. 0.88. Actually, wait, I think I actually beat that. I think I might have hit 52 seconds last time I went. Hold on one second. Let me see. Hold on. No, that was the last time I went, I think. Hold on, let me see. Yo. Leslie. Motherfucking fuck yes. With the 5 gifted. Thank you, homie. Let me see. I don't know if I got the results from that last. Now I don't know. Wait, hold on. Actually, hold on. Let me see. Hold up. I'll tell you right now, actually. Hold up. If that was March. Okay, wait, hold on. Ah, that was March 12th. Fuck. Yeah, 55 spot 215 is my best. God damn it. That's really disappointing, actually. I need to beat that fucker by 0.9 seconds. That's how far off I am. Sick of seeing customer support questions on here. What customer support questions are we talking about? Eat a can of beans before? I will. GT2 RS? Holy shit, that's a tough car to drive. Was it PDK or was it manual? Because you can get it. I don't know if they still allow that. They had a GT2 RS, but I think somebody wrecked it because it's such a hard car to drive. Bruce, can you look at an indicator on TradingView tape by Liquidity Trader to see if it's comparable to the time and sales on Bookmap? There's no shot. Nickel and diming in trading is like the worst possible thing you can do. Like, if you're not willing to spend $100 a month on getting a proper data feed or whatever, like, just use a different way to attack the markets, you know? Don't try to nickel and dime and be like, dude, how could I replicate X, Y, and Z? It's like, well, just buy it, dude. It's like $100, you know? Porsche Carrera GTs are sick. Yeah, I've never driven one. I don't think I've ever actually been in a Carrera GT ever. Last cool car I was in, my buddy had a P1 before he sold it. That was the last cool car I was in. I know it's not like RJ's W1, but the last coolest car, most expensive coolest car I was in was a P1. That shit, I swear to God, was shocking how goddamn loud that car is. I can't believe that like people actually bought that car and like, because you're not yeah, some people are tracking their P1s, but like most people bought the P1s for like, you know, it was the P1, the CGT, and then the what was the third one? Oh, the Ferrari, LaFerrari. But like, dude, the LaFerrari doesn't sound like that. LaFerrari is fucking drivable, but the fucking P1 is like, and like the floorboards are fucking like metal, and like you hear every piece of dust underneath the car when you're driving. There's a fucking, like, I was like, wow. Can't believe why the fuck you'd ever have that car. Bro, first day on Trade C, wow. We need TPT. Yeah, no shit, right? Isn't it a beautiful thing? When you go from Tradeovate to Trade C, it's like a fucking, it's night and day, brother. My neighbor's GT3 RS is crazy loud. Yeah, it's different though. GT3 RSs are not the GT2 RS. The GT2 RS was the Widowmaker. That car, like, it's a track car, and people bought that car as like a driver's road car. Like, ugh, retards. They didn't have the manual GT2 RS. It's probably a good thing, bro. You think you're downshifting into fourth and you accidentally slide it into second, you're gonna fucking spin the shit out of that car. You know? It's not gonna be a good time. Let me see if I can find something here. So this is where I don't think I hit 55 seconds. I think I might have hit like 58 seconds. Hold on one second. I want to see. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, 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 doom. Let me see what I'm saying. How do I do this? Trying to think. There might be, hold on one second. Let me see something. Is that the one I want? That one's kind of not what I was looking for. No, not that one either. Huh. Try something here. I'm gonna try to build something here. Order flow seems so confusing. Yeah, it is. It's not easy. It is confusing. If it was easy, then it'd be probably pretty worthless, right? Don't you think? Don't you think? Oh, let me see here. Didn't the unders win? I don't know. You fucking tell me. Here, I'm paying out the unders. There you go. Unders are paid. Bang. There you go. Not even gonna look. Now they for sure won. Something, something, Trump, Strait of Hormuz, blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Strait of Hormuz, blah, 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 blah. I don't fucking care. He's talking about Strait of Hormuz. Something, something, Strait of Hormuz, blah, 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 blah. Let's try this. That work? No. Try for 10. Kind of works. Hey, it's working. Strait of Vermouth. All right, cool. That's all working. Let me see something else now. Nope, that's not what I wanted to press. Jesus. Nope, still not it. We're getting there. Pretty decent comms, actually. Hold on. Okay. Not bad comms, baby. See one thing. Where's a good place to start to get into order flow? Don't buy courses. Why would you ever buy a course on order flow? You're not going to learn anything. See if this works.
My name is Hunter. We're in the 296 Challenge Evo, and a couple things to pick out of the briefing. Just the basics, right? Get next to the greens, break at the orange, follow my lead on passing and shifting, and I got you on everything else. Again, those are the basics. So we have no stability control in this car. Your job is to break straight, get it done straight. As long as we do that, then the car will not lock and spin after. So I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive in this car just because I have to be. So you're going to get 3 calls of hard break in succession. Obviously, you already said your tendency is to break too hard, so we probably won't have a problem there. We'll just work on the smoothness of it. But if I don't receive the desired pressure per the corner, if we're straight, then I'm going to be on the
This
brake
video is
lift
shorter
down.
than 10 minutes.
Cool. You still got a copy, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. And if you are ready, let's go foot on the brake, upshift. Beautiful. And then
Is that
just
your
give
rips?
me a
No,
look
no.
left, make sure nobody's
Not me.
coming. If we're good, you just give me a little bit of gas. We'll keep it about 10 miles per
Just a
hour.
random person on the internet I found that's driving a car.
Okay, let's go all the way down to the end of the tent there, and we'll make a left around it. Feel how light the wheel is?
Yeah, it's insane.
It's ridiculous.
Jeez.
Through the blues. And then we'll stop at the last 2.
Yeah,
oranges
one
right
day
up the
I'll
edge.
do it. I mean, the guy does look very close to me. Like, it almost looks like we're watching a video of me. But honestly, I don't know. Why would we watch a video of me racing on my own stream? That seems weird. That
And
just
they are
seems
going
very
sweet.
strange to do, actually.
And then remember, thumb's always in. That's going to help you stay a lot looser, because all I want you to do is pull down with your thumb.
Got it.
Actually, at thermal or anywhere,
Yeah, it's probably
has
not
anybody
me.
ever gone over like proper motion of your elbows?
Not exactly, but more of like, I've been like sort of like on my palms more than anything.
That's good. So what I want from you, go ahead and turn left 90 degrees. That's perfect, right? Keep that elbow drop, but relax your fingers on the top like this and just drop your wrist as tight, as far down as you can. Yeah, don't work for it, right? We're just pulling majoritively here because the car's really light, right? It's going to do the majority of the work for you. So just staying loose, pulling with that bottom thumb, staying in the pocket, pretending like you're grabbing your elbow is the key.
Got it.
Yep. And then at the moment, we have a nice little gap. Let's roll into our gas nice and smooth. We're going to hold the right side after we cross. Upshift. Upshift. Let's go left side. We're clear behind. Upshift. Upshift. Brake about mid-pressure. 1 downshift. Good. Stay in 4th for now. Off brake, we can carry that. Light gas in about 10% just for light loaded weight in the rear. And now gradually building in the middle of the track, not left or right. Middle, so we're straight to green. Further middle.
7 minutes till the
Now
market
straight.
opens.
Off brake, let it roll out. Second green. Now light gas in, but only 10%. That way we don't push the front. I need you left. Good. Same gas on the right side. Look 2 greens out. Beautiful. Gradual build. We are passing left. Keep going. Normal line. Yep. Holding left. No brake here. Just breathe off. Light gas in. Yeah, no brake at those ones. Just the second set.
Got it. Can we turn up my volume a little bit here?
Yeah. Brake. Off. Light gas. Is that better?
Yes.
Cool. Building speed. No curbs. No bumps. Brake. 1 downshift. Stay green. Off brake. Look at the green. Tight to it. Yep. Building on the right side. Let's go. Up. Left. Brake. Good. 1 down. Keep your pressure. Now release. Light gas only. Hold. Tight. Now gradual build in the middle. There you go. Keep going. Brake. 1 downshift. Off brake. I don't want to use that much track.
Okay.
Good. Light gas only. Don't push front. Really good. Same gas on the right side. Once you get to second green, you can start adding. There you go. Upshift. Holding left. A little bit more gas. Just breathe. Light gas in. Balance. Brake. Harder. Release. Let it roll. Light gas. Never shift there. We'll keep 4th gear. That way we just focus on the roll speed. Upshift. Full throttle. Upshift. Brake hard. 2 down. Off brake. Light gas in. 10%. 90-degree angle. Wait for the build, though. Only build on exit. You see how you're pushing?
Yep.
Good, good, good. Up. 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 Brake hard. 1 down. 1 down. 1 more. Off brake. Light gas. Find the flow. Now build. Middle. Look for green already. Upshift.
Sorry.
Brake. You're good. Downshift. Off brake. Load your weight out. A little bit of gas. Give me 5 to 10%. But now modulate it. Play with it. Get your rotation. You're in control of where the weight goes. Same gas. Building. Upshift. Stay with her. Love that. Off. Light gas in. Balance only. Brake harder and release. A little early on the turn in. Snap and build. No bumps. Upshift, keep going. Brake hard, 1 down. 1 more, turn your head. Little gas in, just 10%, keep your balance. There you go. Now build it. We'll tighten 10 up. 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 Brake hard. 1, 2, stay loaded. Off. Light gas, you're good. Keep it going, think further. Now building. Yeah, keep breathing. Brake, 1 down. Good. Off brake, she'll scrub the rest. Now don't add too much.
Sorry.
No, that was okay. Turn more. Commit to your decision. That's what I want.
Got it.
Upshift, tighter here. Now we'll just keep it in 4th gear through the back. Holding left, keep on your gas. Off, light gas in. You're good, keep going. Now brake on the right. Brake, brake, brake. Release it, light gas. Cut it, build it. We gotta stay off that bump though. Upshift. Brake hard. 1 down. 1 more.
All right, that was a 57-second lap. I think this next lap is my best lap.
Don't overdo it. Now overdo it. Yes. Beautiful patience. Up. Left. How you feeling? Up.
Focused.
Brake hard. 1. 1. Off. Light gas. Hold.
Get it in there.
Tuck.
Fuck yeah.
Building.
Great fucking line.
Upshift. Brake. 1 down.
Fucking
And
line.
off
Oh
brake.
my
No
God,
gas
what a
early.
line.
Good. Light. Tighter though. Good commitment. Same gas on the right
Fucking
side.
beautiful. And then this motherfucker gets in my way.
Good. More gas.
This fucking dumb
Upshift.
piece
You're
of
passing
shit.
on the right. Go now.
Go,
now,
go,
now.
go. Fucking pass.
Off gas.
Fuck
no
you.
Brake. Tight. Brake. Off. Light gas only. Snap and build. Let's
Snap
go.
it.
Upshift.
Bang. Oh, what a line.
Brake hard. 1 down. 1 more.
Bang. That was 56
Good.
seconds.
Turn your head.
That's the best
Release
I
it.
did that
Little
day.
Gas in. Turn more though. Immediately. Yeah. Now right side go.
Huge build. Go, 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 go. Out, out.
Up. Up. Brake hard. Good. 2 down.
Another motherfucker in the way.
Off. Light
Get
gas
out of the way,
passing on the
dumb
right
shit.
Side. Do that now.
Go, go,
for it.
go.
Go for it.
Go.
Go for it.
Move it. Cut
Stay
in.
middle. Brake. 1 down. Good. Off brake. Let it roll. Turn your head. Little early. Overcommit. Turn more. Way more. Yeah, beautiful. Same gas on the right. Now building. Upshift. Keep going. Keep going. Off. Light gas in.
I'm so mad. I was so mad at that point.
Brake right. Harder. Release it. Little gas. Little gas. Keep it up. Snap. Upshift. Really good. Brake hard. Exit.
I'm so bummed.
Great
Like,
job.
so mad.
Not bad at all.
I feel like you're getting a lot better.
It's just, it's honestly, I think we're about a second to a second and a half behind the car.
Yeah.
So we're getting hung up in the
All right.
helmet. A couple
New York Open
times,
coming.
Mainly on the,
New York Open coming. All right, what are we going to trade? Let's switch over to our... we're not going to touch Alpha. Those are done, so no trade debate today. Let's switch over to our Tradeify Lightning funded accounts because those are ones we will be trading today. Yeah, dude, I probably could have crushed 54 if that fucker wasn't in the way. That was such a good lap, too. That line was fucking beauty. That line was just like, oh, so pure. So to do a track day like that, 6 laps, I think it's under $1,000, and you get the instructor and everything. That's only, you know, 6 laps. A full track day is like $5 grand if you want to do like 30, 40 laps. Granny shifting that up. Good guys. Dude, what if he said that? All right, here we go. Markets are open. Holy shit. Holy shit. Trade C's frozen. There we go. Woke up. Jesus Christ. Trade C froze on that. Still frozen, still frozen. Be careful on Trade C right now. It's rhythmic, it's not Trade C. I'm telling you right now, it's fucking rhythmic. Rhythmic is fucking AIDS. All right, so if we hold below this volume shelf of 27,000, I'm looking for shorts, but right now, okay, not trading. How do you deal with brokerage with this frequency of trades? What do you mean? I mean, we're already done for the day on our funded seed accounts. We crushed it on those. I think we'll probably get moved to live, I would think, tonight. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna get moved to live now because I think that's enough payouts, I think. I don't know. I don't know how it works, man. Spent out Ferrari 458 in Speed Vegas a couple years back. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Not to suck my own dick or anything, but like to drive like that, you need a lot of hours on the track. It's not easy. It's very, very easy to spin that car if you're doing that shit. It's very fucking easy, especially in a 296 challenge. It doesn't have like traction control and shit. It's a race car. That's a race car. One more payout? Okay. We refreshed liquidity above 27,000 there. You did 2K in commissions yesterday with AMP? What the fuck? That's crazy, brother. Yeah, ES is still weak, though. You said it's stronger. It's still weak, though. We're making an interesting profile offer up here. Drove NASCAR and Poconos. Nice, nice, nice. The brokerage charges per trade, doesn't that affect your ROI? No. Not the way that I trade, no. $4 is not bad, bro. $4 per round trip is not bad at all. Really, it's not bad. You gotta be making more than that. You know what I mean? You gotta be making way more. It's not bad. $4 per round trip ain't bad. Used to way less. With who? With what brokerage, brother? The fuck? Huh? What brokerage are you on that you're getting less than $4 a round trip? I know you're not trading fucking $20 million a day, brother. The fuck are you talking about? Used to way less. Huh? Is that track allowed to be used by all car makers? No. So that experience you can do. They got everything. They got McLarens. They got Ferraris, Porsches, Lamborghinis. You can do whatever you want. When we do a Vegas meetup out here, it's one of the activities that we're all gonna do. No motorcycles, no. It's one of the activities that we're gonna do. Like, it's gonna be one of the things that you can win, is to do the racing thing. Yeah, no, they have an all BMW track. They have an all Porsche track. Just this is a different thing. This is an experience where like you get like that guy's been racing for 18 years. My instructor there. That's why I pick him every time. His name's Hunter. He's a badass, bro. And he's super small. So there's a weight advantage to having Hunter as well. Like he's super fucking tiny. He's been racing for 18 years though. Like literally for 18 years. I'm not joking. Like he has like the size advantage is gonna be like worth at least half a second. Past my 25K flex eval. We are funded, brother. Give it up for LT. It's the one that he won here on stream. Guess what? You're gonna get a motherfucking payout. You're gonna get a motherfucking payout, my G. I'm 6'7", 290 pounds. I'll drive whatever I can fit in. I don't know, actually. You're a beast, bro. I wonder how you trade when scalp the charges eat up my profit. I mean, you just got to be more right. Just be more correct, brother. How do you trade this fucking range market? Do what I'm doing. Have I taken a trade since the market opened? Do what I'm doing. I'm 6'1". You're 6'10". You guys are fucking giants, bro. I felt tall at one point in my life. Then I I had these guys that I've been trading with and I met them for the first time. The fucking guys were like 6'4", 6'5", 6'7". I was like, fuck! You guys make me feel like a goddamn midget. I felt so goddamn tiny. You're 5'12". That's funny. Yeah, no, I'm Ferrari Phil, were you shorter or taller than me? Here's the thing. I never remember like when I meet people, like, unless they're fucking hugely tall. Yeah, National's you're a beast, bro. When I met National, I was like, what's up, bro? How's it going up there? What's the temperature up there? What are the highs? Down here, it's like 80. What is it up there? It's like 63? Okay, good comms. Yeah, when I met National, it was fucking hilarious. Dude literally looks like Jack Reacher. Like, holy shit, bro. How tall is Alan Richardson? Let's see. Alan Richardson height. He's 6'3". Yeah, see? That's why I was fucking, dude. That's why I was like, National's Jack Reacher, bro. Jack Reacher. Fucking National's 6'4". Legitimately, dude, do you remember National when I met you? I met National. He came over to Bobby's room at Bellagio. First time I ever met the guy. He's like, what's up, Ribs? I'm like, hey, how's it going up there, man? You're a fucking monster. Ferrari Phil, where are you? How tall are you, man? I can't remember if you're shorter or taller or the same height. I can't even remember. But you do your fitness, bro. You're pretty yoked. Get your ass out here, player. Why in States you guys love telling your weight too whenever you say your height? I don't know. Because most Americans are fucking enormous. In a bad way. Most Americans are fucking unhealthy and enormous. So it's kind of an accomplishment when you're not, I guess. Pozo is 5'4" and 165. Lots of yeah. Funny if National's first words were him yelling, "Do not redeem." Dude, National would say a quote from Jack Reacher. He literally, legitimately looked like Jack Reacher, but like the more like angrier, rougher version of Jack Reacher. Like, listen here, I'm gonna fuck your ass up, brother. Like, whoa, buddy, chill out. Just trying to say hi. Fuck out of here. He looks like he doesn't take any shit. National, you take any shit from your kids? Say that again. I feel like that's kind of your response. Dad, can we get ice cream? Say that again. Dad, will you come tuck me in for bedtime story? Say that again. We don't do that bullshit around here. Wait, fucking no way. Car is trading at 300s. No fucking way. I don't believe you. Holy shit, dude. Look at fuck. Oh my god damn, brother. Fuck. So imagine if you only traded 1,000 shares of this, you'd be up almost $500,000 if you only traded 1,000 shares short. The borrow cost on 1,000 shares was guaranteed less than 10 grand. Fuck. Did you watch his movie with Kevin James? I saw there's a Kevin James movie. I fell asleep to it, I think. My neighbor bought it at $2 and sold at $3.14. That's crazy work, brother. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, this is a very sloppy open right here. Very, very sloppy. We're definitely in an uptrend. I'd love to see us buck that trend. See if we get the previous day higher. Maybe we could buck the trend. I'm getting 1 to 2 second delay on entry on a trade C. Anyone else? I haven't traded trade C since earlier on my funded seat account, so. Sorry for the delay to your question. Moving from iPhone to PC. I work features market maker 2012, 2016. We did. You know. I mean, bro, there's no world that exists where you're getting lower than $4 round trip commissions trading the NASDAQ minis. Like, it doesn't exist, brother. Even if you got a CME seat, like, you're knocking it down to like 275. We are still pushing up here. Still nothing I like, nothing I want to take. But if you're long out of 27,000, you're up a treat right now. 9:45, we have the global manufacturing PMI, which again is not going to be that big of a deal. At 10:30, we get the DOE numbers, and at 11, we're getting a swath of data. Get the 4 and 8 week bills. We get the 3 and 6 month bill announcement, and the Kansas City Fed manufacturing activity, which again nobody's really going to care about here. Overs or unders are going to be paid out. Oh, I didn't even do a prediction. My bad. Whoopsie. Hoopsie. Let's do this. 10:06. All right, we're going to do 1 minute for this prediction. Bang. There you go. 1 minute. Do, 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 do. Back to shit PA? What are you talking? This is not shit PA, brother. When the market is moving, look, shit PA is like if we're caught like this off the open. Like if the open dropped, like if this was the open right now, we dropped and then we chop. That's shit PA. This ain't shit PA, brother. This is movement. This is motion. This ain't shit PA. We've not even close, brother. This is great PA. This is a song that plays over a baby crib. I'll be your baby. Come on down here, Jim. I like how everybody's asking for the Soupy call out. Holy shit. You guys are so funny, bro. Poor Soupy. Poor fucking Soupy, man. You guys are all like, what's Soupy doing? What's Soupy doing? You guys are so mean. It's fucking savage, bro. All right. I'm gonna try this long in my Lightning funded account. Stops are below 35. Trying to hit long on this pullback. See if we can hold at 40s here. Looking for a pop and retrace above 50 here now. See if they attack these 50s. Nice, nice move. Nice comms, nice comms. Very nice comms. Let's go, baby. Keep popping. Keep popping, baby. Let's go, let's go. Right through those 60s. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. 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 Great comms. Fuck yeah, there we go. Lightning funded. Who caught that one with me? Beautiful pitch and catch to the upside. Who caught that with me? Come on. Very clear on that trade. Long, stops below 35. We came nowhere close to those stops. Buried it at 40. Add, bang, bang, bang. Let's fucking go, champs. That's lightning funded, done for the day. Just like that. Damn, Pozo, 9K on TPT. What a fucking champion you are. You love to see it. You do. You just do. Oh my God, you love to see that shit, motherfucker. I love to see you guys winning. Like I say all the time. I love to see you guys winning. Cars still going down. Do they hit a limit down halt? Oh, fuck. God, dude. It's makes me want to go back to fucking trading equities when you have days like this. There are so many people getting fucking paid today, dude. We're halted right now. I wish I had DAS open. I haven't traded on DAS in fucking so long. I miss it so much. You don't understand. This is how COVID was every fucking day, bro. Every fucking day in COVID, there was something like this. At least one thing. At least one thing. And usually they're to the upside. But like, fuck, man. It was so much fun. We were talking about this in Globex yesterday. Like, fuck, it was so fucking fun. Let me know when Car resumes. Let me know when Avis resumes, please. Who's still holding long here, by the way? We're 20 points from where we covered. Hey. Rips, you need to produce your own rap album solo. Bro, I have. Like, I got like 3 Grammy Award-winning albums. Damn, let's go, Scott. Pitch and catch to the upside, baby. I love you. Love seeing you folks win. It makes me happier than anything, dude. Couldn't give a fuck about my own shit. Really. Who gives a shit? Fuck do I care? Seriously. I'm gonna be fine. I want you guys to be fucking winning, dude. Nothing turns me on more than when I see you guys fucking winning. Just passed my 50K Apex eval. Thanks, Ribs. Let's go, Kurt. Pay the overs? Do you not see what the fuck? Oh my God, the overs are gonna fucking, they're gonna crush on this shit, bro. Oh my God. That's why I put it up there. Nobody believed me. I put it so far away too. Nobody believed it. Thank you, Apox, for the gifted. I appreciate you, baby. Oh man, what a day. And then my jeweler's flying out to Vegas today. I'm gonna pick up the Booger Blaster 9000 is what I'm getting today. He's flying out from Los Angeles. So excited. Oh shit, I forgot to post my shit. Sneak peek for the viewers. I showed it yesterday on stream. Well, I showed you what the 70 pointer looked like. I will be posting on my Instagram story today. Car is unhalted. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, look at this shit. Look at it go. What's the halt? What's a limit down halt? What's the LULD levels? What's the limit down level? Anybody know? Yeah, it's gonna be a very difficult day. Extra difficult, baby. Oh, NASDAQ. Holy shit. Look at, holy shit. There's definitely people covering in car right now too. I'm sorry, I'm just so enamored with this. Dude. Fuck, I wish. Fucking 10,000 going. Oh my god, it'd be up 800 grand. That's human psychology at work against you. Wait, what did we say? Dane Trader says, Yo, Rips, I got a strategy. Yo, Rips, I got a strategy through market structure, and EMA has been doing that for 2 years now. Got payouts with it. It looks too easy. I'm scared. I have a short about this, bro. I literally have a short about this. Did you not watch the short about this? Did you not watch the short? I literally have a short about that where I'm like, oh, it's too easy. Bro, this question about the pitch and catch. Do you look for a swing low and a high and then look for a pullback? Could you show on Bookmap if you can't? Then great trade. Yeah, I'll do it in a second here for sure. 100%. I have a bunch of videos about the pitch and catch on my YouTube. If you're ever confused about the pitch and catch, and that trade right there will probably become a video as well. But let me show you. 1 second. We just gotta post this real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, Dorman's still around, bro. Yeah, Dorman is definitely still around. Dorman's gonna be fucking 4.25 for 450 for a round trip right now. Unless you're fucking doing insane size, bro. Even with the CME seat, the best you're gonna get is like 2 3/4 round trip with a CME seat, with your own CME seat, bro. Like, it's inflation, bro. Like, you're tripping if you think $4 round trip is a big deal. You're tripping, brother. $4 round trip is par for the course. Like, that's a good deal. Some firms will be like 6.25, 650. Nice. Tony Ryan says, I asked Grok to interpret your pitch and catch technique was fire outline from past commentary. There you go. $4 to push shit. Dude, it's honestly like, I'd like, yeah, just, yeah. $4 round trip ain't shit, brother. I'm working on it still, AR. The guy who does my coding had a baby recently, so I don't want to like, dude, he does this shit for me as a favor, like just to be nice. I'm not gonna start pressing on and be like, bro, what the fuck? Where's my indicator, dog? Like, yeah, right. He's a fucking really good person, and he just had a kid, and he doesn't charge me shit for doing the work on these indicators, so it's like, you know. Dude, car is looking for a break. Lower. It looks like it halted. 313.97. The halt bands are going to get tighter and tighter as it goes down because the percentage changes. It gets whacked. Tally whacked. I'm so jealous of people that got to trade that. All right, pitch and catch. This was Sippin' V12 was asking for this one. We have. Do you want to look at it on the? It's easier to look at it on the charts, right? Let's go to the 10-second chart just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, right? Let me hide my indicator. Okay, so we are looking for, like, you heard me, where did I place my stop, right? I said my stop was below 35, right? Look at that level right there. So I'm looking for the last, there's a couple things, right? If you're looking at this on a 10-second chart, you can see that this is a heavy rejection. So this is buyers still in control of this price. So all I'm looking for is a dramatic pullback into something of this area, right? So if we can map this out, I want to show you something very cool. If we just take the wick in the 10 seconds, right? We take it from the top to bottom. Look at this. We almost pull back exactly to the midpoint of that wick on the 10-second bars. So when we're encroaching, and if we take the whole candle, I guarantee you, yeah, like look, we encroach on it almost perfectly. So if we're taking the whole candle, or just even like the upper body, look at how much that, look at it. It literally lines up if we just take the body to the exact midpoint of that, right? Are you still here sipping V12? Because I don't want to go through this if you're not here. I don't know if you're here or not. Okay, cool. So when we are extending here, there's two things that I'm looking for, right? And I see this on Bookmap. You can see it on candlesticks. It's not a big deal. So on a 10-second bar, which is like the speed that I'm watching the order flow, this rejection, I can see it in Bookmap, but if you're a candlestick trader, this is important, right? This rejection is important because that is telling you that buyers are in control, right? So I'm not jumping into the trade there. Instead, I'm waiting for a pullback into that zone and a rejection, right? So there's two ways that you can trade this. Looking at the 10-second bars, you see where you have like agreement and price. This would be it, right? Agreement and price is right here because we pop up. That's the high, and then that's the high of that candle too, right? The high of the body, right? So there's two different areas. For me personally, I want to get it in this zone, right? I entered the trade the moment that we got into this zone right here on that pullback, that violent pullback. My stops are below this, right? I said my stops are below 35. I was right around 33, right? The lower end of that zone, because if we reject below that zone, then the trade is completely invalidated. Once we reject that heavily and we start to, again, I'm seeing this in Bookmap, but you can see it on the 10-second candlestick chart. When we create this wick on the 10-second bars, it's basically saying that buyers are in control again, right? It's not as dramatic as this wick right here, but buyers are in control, especially when we start printing 3 green candles in a row, 30 seconds of green. So there's two areas that you can enter. You can enter where I did, which is right here on the pullback, or you can wait for confirmation right here, right? Where do you think I added to price? Or where do you think I added to my position? It was right here, right? I'm adding to position here. And then where do you think I'm looking for that first acceptance and takeout of my trade? Over these bodies. That's it, right? Because that was the rejection. That was the prior rejection. And the moment that we exceed those bodies, I'm looking for that. So you're either clocking around whole numbers, which are the 70s, the closest to that area, right? You're looking for the 70s to clock out, or you're just taking it off the moment that we wick above those bodies. So you can do it on the bodies or the wicks. Here or here. And again, I'm seeing this all on Bookmap, right? But that's all I'm doing. That's your pitch and catch to the upside. If you want to see what it looks like on the downside, there you go. There's a pitch and catch to the downside. Exact same thing, right? It's the exact same thing. There's no difference. There's no difference. It's the exact same setup. It works both ways, right? So you took down like 15, 20 points in that trade. Well, I took it from 40 to 70. So it was about 30 points. Just call it 25 on average. Look at this. Look at this. The same fucking thing happened. Look at that. Same fucking thing happened. We were just talking about this. Look at that. Same fucking thing. There's your downside trade. There's your pitch and catch to the downside. Same fucking trade, dude. Stops would be where? Right here. TPs are going to be where? Right here. Bottom of those wicks. Bang. What is that? That's a 4-to-1. You're going to sit here and tell me, oh, price action sucks. No, it doesn't. You just suck at reading it. You know what I mean? If you can figure out how to do this over and over and over, I promise you that you can get consistent payouts. Straight up. You can get consistent payouts if you just wait for this to happen. Which broker should I choose according to you? Because you shouldn't be trading on a broker. You shouldn't be trading on a broker because you need to have consistent profitability in props first. It's applicable to all time frames. Yes, it's on higher time frames too. I'm showing you on the 10-second because I'm a momentum scalper. This is on a 10-second chart, but it's valid on higher time frames. I'm just showing you on the 10-second chart because somebody specifically asked about the exact trade that I took this morning. Any questions? I'm 21 points. Thank you, Rips. Nice. This is going to be turned into a long form video on my channel, I guarantee. So if you missed it and you don't understand it, you can wait for the YouTube video to come out about this. How many charts do you use? Check this out. I'm going to post on my... Wait, dude, you know this. What are you talking about, Blue NQ? I thought it was somebody new. Brother, how many times have you seen me post it on my story of my complete setup? I'm done trading, guys. Look, I hit max profit on everything today. I'm literally done trading. What do you want me to trade? Job's done. Job's done, right? Everything's done. I did my job today. It's over. I hit max payout on everything, bro.
Job's done. Job's done.
I just have trouble finding what to look for in Bookmap in terms of size of boat. Then don't use Bookmap, right? Don't use Bookmap. If it's getting in the way of your decision-making process, then don't use Bookmap. Just because Bookmap works well for me doesn't mean it's going to work well for you. And right, like, I don't want to try to push products on you that are not going to be helpful for you. Purgatory Parks is another banner day. Thank you, Rip. Let's go, baby. Congrats to you, my friend. Where the fuck are all the chatters? What are you talking about? People are probably trading right now. What do you mean, where are all the chatters? Everybody's here. What are you talking about? Go with the Flow says, just passed my first eval. Let's go, baby. If you're currently here in chat, drop a W. Let's see. How many people are actually here in chat right now? There you go. Bruce, what is your opinion about feminism? I just hate when my girls say we don't need men, etc. What? What planet are we on right now? You lost me, bro. I have one rule with that, right? I have one rule with that. If you don't come to my place of work and come into my office and bother me, then I'm not going to go to her place of work and bother her in the kitchen. We keep those boundaries, right? Was on a work call, Rips. Can you help for any more trades? I mean, brother, I'm fucking suited and booted right now. Don't know where the kitchen is, Rips? I mean, I've heard about it. I've seen pictures of it. I've never been in it myself. Lord knows I'd never go in that place.
Job's done.
As if your girlfriend says they don't need a man means you're making good money. Well, they're going to find somebody who makes some good money. If you're not making good money, they're going to find somebody. Oh, man. $300 away from passing my first eval. Let's go, Black Sam. Let's go, baby. Pozo Trade says, I'm a woman trader and my man will never have to feed himself. God bless. You're going to have a very lucky man by your side then. No, I'm lucky. I'm not chauvinist or anything. I'm lucky. I love my wife. She's amazing. I love my wife. I'm very lucky, very blessed. Ribs, how many contracts you usually use on your trades? Again, it depends. It depends. It depends. On that setup right there, I think I traded 4 contracts. I'm pretty sure. Here, let me see. That was 4 contracts. 4 contracts. 4 contracts. Question not trade related. Why you're so fast in putting in reels, vid stories? Do you have a video editor? I have a team. I have a content team. I don't just have a video editor. I have a whole team. Unders 1. Let's go. That sucks that the unders snuck that one out. I thought the overs were going to win personally. I would have bet the overs. 1 minute for the next one. Troop says, having all my accounts with daily payouts is amazing. Not needing winning days is great. I've had such a good week that I can just take tomorrow off without the need for winning days. Let's go. Give it up for Troops. Troops, are you trading on funded seed at all? Let me ask you that question. Are you trading on funded seed at all? By the way, how many people who are Miyagi'd on this stream took that beautiful setup? I mean, your TP is like, I mean, you could even do this, right? You could even do this to that to this, and that's still 2.5 to 1. How many people took that one? I'm being generous with how bad your entry could be too. Like, your entry could be fucking terrible. This is still 2 to 1 right here. Right? And like, that's just to the VWAP. That's just trading straight to the VWAP. That's 20 points. Wait, so did they answer? Who are you trading on? Austin says, I feel that same way about my wife. She's simply incredible. I'm way too blessed. Amen, brother. Hello, Ribs. Had a profit drawdown of $10,000. I lost $6,000 in the last 3 days. Then today I made one trade of $6,500 on GC at 8:30 a.m. today. Yesterday, 7,000 trade inspired me, brother. Thank you. Let's go. Nice work there, Ernest. Let's go, baby. Well done, brother. Feeling kind of greedy. Gonna lock it and go enjoy the weather. Nice. Good comms, Gus. Good comms. Well done. Ribs, you look like Hrithik Roshan. Yeah, I have a short about that on my Instagram. Here, watch this. I can't play it on stream because they'll fucking tag me for bullshit. Watch this one. Watch that, order flow dynamics. This is for all my Indian viewers. If you're on Kick and you're an Indian viewer, check that one out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like that one. Did you see my post? My poist, Ribs? I mess around with you, but thanks, you're the real deal. I love you, pal. I appreciate you tuning in here, man. All I want to do is help people. That's it. All I care about is helping people. If I can help you improve your trading in any way, whether it's at a technical level or a psychological level, I feel fulfilled. That is my goal for these streams, and to have fun doing it. That's what we want. That's all we want. That's it. That's all I care about. Can we have fun? Can we learn something? Can we get better? Can we be progressively better every single day? Somehow, some way. Even if it's 0.5% better. Even if it's 0.01% better. Can we find a way to be slightly better than we were yesterday? That's it. That's all I want. And when you guys tell me that I'm seeing like, oh man, I'm green. Oh man, I crushed it. Like, that's the shit that turns me on. That's the shit that makes this worth it. Do you only trade futures? Yes. On stream, yes. Now keep in mind, B-Balla, single stock futures are coming out soon. So depending on what these prop firms want to do, there's a good chance that we will be able to trade single stock futures. So we might bring that into the mix. Help yourself to some heat. Dude, to be honest, I'm not even kidding about this. I've actually enjoyed the break from gambling. It's like, I realized, like, dude, at least with stake, I was not enjoying it, you know? The world honestly needs more people like you. The desire to see others succeed is so rare. I mean, the thing is like, I wasn't always like that. I lived a very unfulfilling life for a while until I realized how unfulfilling that was. Right? Like being a fucking degenerate makes you realize like living a very vapid existence drew me to this point in my life. It's because you're going through peace. Yeah, brother, that's what it is. By the way, that same setup happened again. Didn't even stop out. That's crazy. Same happened twice. I wouldn't take it, but yeah. Just passed my first funded seat eval. Let's go. You did it, brother. You did it. Give it up, guys. Black Sam. Fuck yeah. Give it up. On your feet, people. On your feet. You took it this time. Let's go. It's Pat, right? Pat O'Grogan. Patrick O'Grogan. Nice work there. Nice work, Black Sam. How does it feel, brother? By the way, you don't have to do anything with your funded seed eval now. It passes automatically. You don't have to touch a damn thing. You'll refresh your page and then boom, you now have a funded seed account. Do not go fast. Make sure, here's what I want you to do, okay? And pay attention. What I want you to do is I want you to go to the FAQ section of their website, and I want you to go to the exact account that you passed, and I want you to read every single rule for the funded stage of that account and make sure you understand exactly what you're trading. Can you make that promise to me that you will do that? Because the last thing I want to see is after all this effort from passing your first evaluation account that you're confronted with some rules that you didn't understand. Can you do that for me? Rips, have you seen Alpha Trader Firm? They have straight to funded 300K at a discount right now. Alpha Trader Firm. Are you talking about Alpha Futures? Ribs, if you reach the buffer, can you pull that money thus effective? No. If you're talking about funded seat, no. Maybe with TPT, yes, but with funded seat, no. Funded seat, you need to remain above the buffer. Oh yeah, no, I've never fucked with them before. I wouldn't fuck with them, bro. Listen, all I can do is offer my perspective on the firms that are scrolling across the screen. I have taken a payout with every single one of these firms. I've had a good experience with every single one of these firms, and I put my name on every single one of these firms. If anything ever changes from that, you'll hear it from me first. All I can do is offer my perspective on the firms that you see scrolling across the bottom of your screen. Yeah, I wouldn't fuck with, dude, I have no idea. If you're asking me, I have no clue. You're asking the wrong person because I've never fucked with them before. I've taken a payout with every single one of these firms, and I've had a good experience with every single one of these firms. If you don't use this firm, yeah, no, dude, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. No. I'll trade my own cash. Fuck this. Well, do whatever you want. If you, that's your MO, that's your MO, brother. I just want to see you winning. I'd love to see you come back and be like, bro, I started an account with 10K. I'm up 100,000. Fuck yeah, let's go, baby. I want to see you winning, man. I just want to see you guys making it happen. That's it, man. Because it's the hardest fucking thing ever. These props suck. I mean, I get it, man. I get where you're coming from. Trust me. Watch my stream from the beginning of this year and I was like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, dude, me going from trading my live account on stream, my $2 million, $3 million live account on stream, like, brother, the adjustment was fucking brutal. People were like, this guy sucks. It's so funny. Dude, it's really like the adjustment period because they're like, why are you full porting every time? I'm like, I'm just used to clicking the button a lot. You know? It's so funny. Oh man. If I put 10,000 into my own cash and started building it so I had absolutely no rules and could fully control 100% of everything, how many contracts am I allowed to trade with on a $10,000 account? On AMP, I think 10. Is it? Yeah, 10 contracts. But they might liquidate you the moment that you have 10 on. So I don't know. The smallest account I've ever traded with AMP was 100,000. Hang my head in shame. I had enough to take out a decent payout and cover combine expenses a couple of weeks ago, but ended up blowing it last night. It is with TopStep and they give the opportunity to get it back by paying a fee. I still have an XFA that I can work. Is it reasonable to pay the fee and get the original one back? I mean, that's really up to you, but let that be a message to every single one of you. And I try to preach this so often, and I appreciate you sharing your story. And you shouldn't feel shame, because guess what? It happens to more people than would ever admit, like you just did. It takes that's a real person right there that's admitting that. That takes guts. But let that be a message to everybody who's watching this stream. And I say this all the time, when you can take a payout, take the payout. Take the payout. I mean that, right? You have to take the payout. And I don't know enough about TopStep's new program. I haven't traded them in over a year. I think TopStep is a great firm. But just listen to what people say in chat who have had the same experience. Rips, when did you realize that you are a better scalper than longer time frame? I mean, I like fast twitch things. Like I like when I play chess, I don't play fucking the bullshit 4-hour game of chess. I play bullet, blitz, and rapid. It just works for the way that I think, and I like fast action. And I also like getting fast results. So scalping is very attractive to my mindset. It also feels like, I don't know, it plays into the way that I do it. In Blitz, I'm 1800, but I'm dog shit. I'm really bad. If I fucking studied some really cheesy bullshit, I could probably get to 2200 in Blitz. But I'm awful, bro. 1800 is like dog shit. I'm fucking terrible. I don't pretend to be good. I had a friend, and I found out recently that he actually passed, rest in peace. But he was a grandmaster, and I used to play with him like almost every single day. He owned a hookah lounge, and I would go and play from like 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. This is back when I was a fucking degenerate piece of shit. No, 1800 is not good for Blitz, bro. Maybe 1800 is good for Classic, but like 1800 for Blitz is bullshit. Like, go play Blitz. Guarantee if you don't even know what you're doing, you probably get 1400. Blitz is not good. Ever tried COD? Yeah, of course. I used to play COD all the time. Grandmaster that passed away. Yep. His name was Eric. He was a fucking G, dude. I think he did the COVID vaccine. He was very, very obese, and he did the COVID vaccine. I think that's what got him in the end, if I'm being honest. Like, I don't actually know. I was like, I wanted to give him a call like a year, 2 years ago, and I was like, oh. And I read a news article. I was like, holy shit. I never play games on stream now. Lucid is such a piece of shit. Go on. Maybe there's something I could do for you. Oh, amazing. Do you use POC as a magnet? Sometimes. Thank you, Pat. Appreciate you, buddy. Hold on. It says got like 2K for the 1125 limit in 3 days. I don't get it, brother. I don't understand. Can I screenshot it here? You can DM me. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. Remember when my family blocked me everywhere because I was not a vaxxer? Oh my God. I've never taken the clot shot in my life. I never, ever did. So. Sorry, I'm talking to AI for now. Fucking gay. Brother, relax, bro. I want to help you. Jesus Christ. Relax, homie. Let's figure this out together, my guy. Jiminy Christmas. No, I'm cool. Okay. All right. You got a white claw. Okay, there you go. That'll take the edge off. There is no laws when you're drinking the claws. Rips, Lucid has insane fees per trade. Do they? See, dude, I don't know what it is. Like, I don't ever fucking notice the fees, guys. I just don't. Even when I'm trading in my cash account, I barely ever look at my fees. I think the most I paid last year in fees was like 125K in a month. Maybe a little bit less, like 80K or something. I can look. I can check my statements, but the most I paid in fees last year in all the entire year was like between $80,000 and $100,000 in a whole month. I'll never understand the fees thing. It's pennies to dollars. Who cares? Amen, brother. Fucking scream it from the goddamn mountaintops. You and me both. I'll never understand the bitching about it. It's fucking insane. Here, I'm gonna log in and see. I'm logging into AMP right now, I'll tell you. You might be looking at like a consistency thing, Charlie. It might be like, dude, it might be the consistency thing. I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. Maybe you're trading an account that has consistency and you're making too much profit, so the profit target goes up. Is that probably what we're talking about here? I don't fucking know, man. All right, let's see. Monthly. Okay, let's see. So I paid this month. Jesus Christ, how many pages is this shit? Good Lord. I'll tell you right now. So last month I paid $40,000 in fees. There you go. $40,000 in fees. Welcome to trading. You know? Welcome to trading, dude. Are we gonna trade anymore? Hey, streamer man! Are you gonna tell me your trade so I can click some buttons and I get free fucking money? Hey, streamer man, where's the fucking trades? What the fuck? Are we gonna fucking do the fucking thing where you give us the trades and I fucking copy the shit and I get the money? Or what the fuck am I here for? God! Or what? God, streamer man. Can you shut the fuck up and click the button, streamer man? I don't know, actually. We might trade. I don't know. Does that include the 10% split? Dude, I don't think AMP is taking 10% from me, brother. Oh man, Soupy's not here, bro. I hope Soupy's okay. Soupy's not here. We haven't had the Soupy indicator all day. I haven't seen Soupy all day, man. It's kind of AMP 50% split. Yeah, brother. Holy shit. Oh my God. He faded himself and locked it up. Dude, he's probably up so much. You ever went for the 20 Apex accounts? Yes, I did. I passed them, and then I never activated them, and they're gone. So, didn't you used to play a lot of Counter-Strike? Yes, too much. I actually had a coach. I know it's embarrassing. I had a coach I had a coach in Counter-Strike. That's how much I fucking loved the game. I also have friends that were like big time pros, dude. Like they played in majors and shit. Hey Rips, I had a rough Globex as I hit the wrong button during the drop and I blew up my TPT accounts. One funded. On a good note, I got 4 payouts, but you gave me some advice last week and today I'm rebuilding. Have 3 TPT evals at max daily today. Thanks for what you do. Encourage us to be a little better every day. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. I was great, bro. I was ass though. Brother, I was ass. I would get yelled at. I think it was Global Elite is the top one. I would get fucking yelled at, bro. I would get yelled at by the other people because I would just go pubs, right? If I went pubs in Global Elite when it was still Counter-Strike Source or whatever the fucking one was before 2. I know who Donk is, yeah. Donk is legit. But yeah, bro, if I would go pubs, single pubs, I literally would fucking, I'm not joking, I would get yelled at. Number 1, because of my inventory, and number 2, because I was fucking AIDS. I was terrible, bro. I had no business being Global Elite. Yeah, Nothing's my friend. Jordan Nothing Gilbert, he's my friend. He's my homie. He's from San Diego. He's my dog. Passed my 50K top sub eval today and secured my first 150 profit day max. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, CSGO or CS Source. CS Source. Isn't it? Wasn't it CSGO Source? I was not an opper. No, I was an assaulter. What do you call those? Like the front dude? Not the opper, but the guy who leads in. I played CS 1.2. Rusher? Entry. Thank you, entry. I played entry. I was fucking terrible, dude. I was terrible. I was no good. Yeah, I know. CS2, dude, my friends all still play, right? My friends all still play. And like a lot of them are ex-pros, right? Because they're too old to be pros now. But, you know, it is what it is, baby. Can you be too old to play poker? No, definitely not. The fuck is CS? Dude, if you want to see me get, dude, I guarantee, I'm guessing like if I played Counter-Strike 2, I don't even know what the rankings are now. Do they have like bronze and shit? No, dude, my spray control was sick. I had good spray control with the M4 and the AK. I have a Fire Serpent still, I think. I had an M4 Howl, which was like the lowest float one ever. Second lowest float one ever. It was fucking insane. By the way, we are playing nice against the VWAP. Real nice against the VWAP. No, but dude, I was fucking, I will never pretend like I was good at CS. I was fucking AIDS. I would get yelled at all the time. Whether it's my friends, like, dude, my friends would crash out on me all the time. Like, dude, my friends were very, 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 very good. Like, the best. Literally, some of them world champions. They would fucking rage on me. And I didn't care. I don't fucking care. Like, who cares a fuck? I had fun. I was having fun. Sometimes I would get so sick of their raging on me, I may have partaked in something called the Devil's Lettuce. Imagine Ripsy on the Devil's Lettuce playing CS and just being a fucking troll the whole time. Dude, the fucking comms that I would do. Dude, like one of my friends literally like, I think I got booted from a lobby because he's like, will you just shut the fuck up? Because they're losing and I was just sitting there like talking shit. So funny. So fucking funny. What else are you gonna do during COVID? What car was that on the track, Rips? It was a 296 Challenge with only 1,000 miles on it. Brand new car. 296 Challenge. It's the race car. No traction control, no automatic gearbox. It's the race car. Yeah, you don't even want to know what I used to be like with the lettuce, trolling, yapping. Very fucking annoying to my friends. Nice to drive. Dude, fucking I love that car. Literally love that car. The 296 Challenge. So much fun. One of my favorite cars that I've driven, to be honest. Like I almost bought a McLaren race car. That car shits all over it. The 296 Challenge is so well balanced. It's fucking incredible. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Like, I would love to fucking, like, if I'm going to buy a race car, it'd probably be a 296 Challenge. What cars did you first want? Like your first lump sum of money? Porsches, Lambos. the stupid shit. Porsches are not stupid. Lambos are stupid. But yeah, Porsches. I love Porsches. Dude, look at this. By the way, look at where we fucking hit to. If you're taking the VWAP trade off that, holy shit, brother. Look at that. I mean, this is actually like a pretty valid, like you could argue that you long from this bulk here and then your takeout is like where the top of this wick is and your stop could be as low as like, I mean, there's so many good setups today. Your stop obviously below VWAP, but like maybe on that, what is that? It's a 1.7. How tight would you actually have to get that? That's a 2-to-1 right there. That's a 2-to-1 right there. Not bad, dude. Not bad. Good comms, brother. Not bad, huh? Good fucking comms. Good fucking comms, brother. A lot of setups today. Fucking so annoying. My friend is a track tester for BMW. He just bought a track car going for a drive in a few weeks. Never been on a track. Dude, let him scare the shit out of you. You'll fucking die. You'll love it, dude. If you've never been on a track before, it's a total, like you've never, it's, dude, people have no idea how much different track driving is than any kind of driving you've ever experienced before. Insane. Did you pay channel gamble? Let me see. No. Is it overs or unders? Somebody tell me. Overs or unders? Overs or unders? Is it overs for sure? Okay, everybody's saying overs. Yell at them if they're wrong. Yell at them if they're wrong. Vlad's back again saying unders. Vlad, you got yourself a house. I love you, buddy. My man. Let's do one more here. Okay. Predictions are live. Have you ever tried funding your trades prop from rips? Huh? What? You take 1-to-1 risk ratio trade is a good thing. What do you think? Dude, if it works for you, yes. Great, fantastic. If it works for you, go for it, man. Who gives a shit? Stop worrying about what other people think about your trades. If you can backtest and it can work for you as a strategy, then fucking great, brother. Does Funded Seat have support? I purchased a 100K account and did the rhythmic setup for Windows using the ID and password provided by Funded Seat. We still kind of access. No. Okay, Howard, do this. Go here, brother. This is where you want to go, Howard. Right here. And then add the account there. Connect new. I think I have a YouTube video that's going live about how to connect with TradeSeat. Yeah, go right there. What volume is that on your chart? This is volume profile, visible range. Visible range volume profile. It's free with TradingView. This also free. This also free. All this shit free. Free. Let me know if you have any questions, Howard. I'm here to help. I'm here to help, Howard. Van says, rips. How to beat the consistency rule. Always undercut it. Always undercut it. Ripsmod is on Adderall today? Are they? Ripsmod, are you on Adderall today? I don't think Ripsmod could find Adderall where they're at. Do they have Adderall in your... Sorry. Hey, Ripspot, do they have Adderall where you are? I don't think they do. Don't you have to pay for live feeds on TradingView? Yeah, of course. Brother, do what I did. During their last sale 2-3 years ago, I bought like 8 years of TradingView. I pay like $14 a month for my data in TradingView. Is Ripspot a Filipino? I don't think so, but a lot of people on my content team are. 30.29, Salute 29. No, the $29 is not going to be a big deal, Black Sam. Did you already make that in your funded account, brother? Did you already make that in your funded account? Are you talking about your, okay, dude, just chill, relax. It'll pass, relax. Send me a screenshot, DM me a screenshot, and I'll tell you what you need to do, okay? Send me a screenshot. I guess the only thing that will move the markets today is a Trump tweet. Point to me on the chart, Kurt, where the market isn't moving, please. Can you show me on the chart where the market isn't moving? Brother, what? Are you looking like over here or something? Are you looking like here? The market's not moving. Where are you looking? Where the fuck are you looking? Rumo says, I'm now short NQ, 27,000 18 entry point, expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. I hate to break this to you, brother, but it's not working. It's moving, but not like lately. Yeah, it's moving because it's doing great things now, finally. This fucking market's been ass until lately. This is great. Love this market. What's your VWAP setting? Wouldn't you like to know? High-low close divided by 3. Of course. HLC divided by 3. High-low close divided by 3. Offset. My offset is set to 0, but my Quavo and takeoff is set to 3. Perky's, Molly, Zanny's, Rocks. Takeoff, I'm your med doc. Okay, so offset set to 0. Takeoff and Quavo is set to 3.5. Style, I just use that. Scalpers love this PA, but trend traders not so much. Yeah, everybody's different, right? Everybody's different. I know. Take off. Rest in peace. Rips, yellow lines on Bookmap are refreshed liquidity. No, those are resting liquidity, not refreshed liquidity. Resting liquidity. Filipinos are great people. I had a girlfriend born here. Yeah, dude, I love Filipinos. Are you kidding me? There's really not a race or any kind of person that I just don't like. I wasn't raised that way. I don't have that in my brain. I'm never like, oh, dude, this person or this where they were born, fuck that place. I wasn't raised like that. I judge people by the people. Trump is living rent free in your minds. I married a Filipino, best choice ever. Nice. What's your favorite cuisine from the Philippines? Hey, Ribs, he got to check that his zip code is not more than 5 numbers to connect to the Rhythmic accounts on TradeC. I had that problem. They were born customers. Service on Trump-funded seat. Help. Brother, did you have a stroke at the end of your, like, where you were writing a normal sentence, then I feel like you just had a stroke. Do you need an ambulance? Can I send an ambulance? How do we find out where your address is? I feel like we need to send an ambulance. I think we just experienced somebody having a stroke live. I'm pretty sure we just experienced somebody having a stroke live. I'm actually concerned right now. Is there a sign of life? If we don't have a sign of life, I need to find out where this person lives and send an ambulance immediately. Just send the Brinks truck. Okay, we have a sign of life. They're fine. Just caught the huge pullback, finally positive after a month of negative at the 100K XFA. Give it up for QS Barbell. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Is Harold your little brother? Karan? Yo, Stanley the Manly, let's fucking go, baby. First day in his Lightning funded account that he won. He's up $1,800. You're a fucking goat, brother. Dude, you hit max profit. Let's fucking go, baby. Yes, and you're on TradeC. God bless. What a fucking goat you are, babe. That's fucking awesome. I love it. Let's go, Stanley the Manly. Fucking killing it. Never trusted it. Also wasn't involved in crypto like I am now. Wait, what are we talking about? Customer service on funded seat will help him if he has more than 5 numbers on his zip code when he signs up. I don't think that's the issue. I think he's fine now because he hasn't said anything. I think he's trading just fine. Adderall has an upgrade. Did it need an upgrade? Isn't Adderall methamphetamine? We're being a community. I love that. Yeah, methamphetamine. How would anybody, dude? At no point, no parents were like, hey, we should probably not give our children methamphetamine, right? Somebody's like, nah, let's try it. Let's just see. Fuck our kids. Let's just see what happens. Wait, why is he taking the pill? Son, get over here. Grab a credit card. Yeah, get that credit card real quick. Yeah, bring it over here. Yeah, grab one of those dollar bills too off the counter. I'm gonna show you how to do this right. Oh my God. Whoever thought that was a good idea? Yeah, you know what would make this kid even better? They're so hyperactive. Math. That'll take the edge off. Oh my God. How did that conversation even happen? Doctor, I have a problem. My child's so hyperactive and they won't shut the fuck up. I have a great idea. Let's give them meth. Oh man. Wait, are you serious or are you just messing with me? Doctor, do you have a lisp? Are you messing with me? It's all about the dopamine path. All right, get your science out of here. I'm trying to fucking make jokes. Get out of here with your fucking science, buddy. See, I just imagine myself as a doctor and I'm not gonna do any kind of research. So they come in there like, you know, my wife's been really tired lately. I don't have anything that I can think of that could help her. And the doctor's like, I know, let's give them fentanyl. Get them on that Fenty-lean. Give them some codeine mixed with fentanyl. Stir it up in some Sprite. She'll be good to go. I'm not gonna look at a fucking chart of chemicals. Are you kidding me? Nothing beats a construction blue-collar working dad to his kids. I mean, that is true. Nothing beats like those fathers, let me tell you. Which one of these prop firms has their own trading platform? Alpha will have it soon, but it's not out yet. That's the only one, Alpha, but it's not out yet. I've never done fucking, I've never had fentanyl prescribed to me or anything. You know, the one drug that I had was one time that was fucking insane was when I was getting my wisdom teeth done or something. I'm trying to remember. It had to be my wisdom teeth because I haven't had anything done to me. Had to be my wisdom teeth, but it was the craziest shit and it was the best shit. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this before, but it was called Dilaudid. Have you guys ever heard of Dilaudid before? I think that's the name of it. Dilaudid. And that shit was fucking amazing, bro. I was like, what? It felt like you were fucking falling backwards, but not falling. It was insane. And you're just like, woo! I love it! I love it! That was the last time I ever, out of all that class of drugs, that was the only thing. I was fucking falling back, but not, and I was like, this is great! It was fucking just, it was great. It was great. Thank God I never had access to that after that. But it was fucking great. I guarantee you that, after that, after the one time of taking it, I'd never have that experience ever again. It's like all drugs. The first time you take them, it's the best feeling ever. And then the fucking 92nd time you take them, you're like, I'm gonna need 10 times the amount, please. I don't want to ask my dentist for it. That's fucking dangerous, brother. It makes you itch? I don't remember itching. I just remember feeling like I was fucking on planet Jupiter doing cartwheels with God himself giving me a hug. I was just very fucking wee. I didn't even know, dude. Somebody reminded me of the name of it like a couple weeks ago because I was talking about it. I was telling my friend the story, and I was like, I don't know what the fuck it was, like diluted something. They were like, dilaudid. It's like, yeah, that's that shit, baby. What is that, by the way? Is it fucking heroin? What is dilaudid, by the way? Who knows? Who's a fucking med person in here? What exactly is dilaudid? Is it fucking morphine, heroin, opium? Whoever called the bitch you catch north to a minute ago, cheers to you. Let's go, baby. Similar to heroin, oxy. It's 10 times the strength of morphine. Holy shit, is it actually? 100x morphine? Is it actually? Dude, that's insane. God's hugs. Dude, I just remember, it was the most pleasurable feeling I've ever had. It was just like, it was incredible. Well, that's not true. But yeah, it was incredible. I just remember I was like, they did a little click, 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 and I had an IV in, and I was like, what's happening? I was like, oh yeah, I'm enjoying this. Oh man, I was fucking like, wow, this is fantastic. I just remember they clicked, so they're clicking something over there, and it was fucking, I just had like a little drip, and it just looked like water, and I was like, this is great. They're like, sir, do you need more? I was like, can I say yes? The flowers on Jupiter, they smell like candy. Yeah, that's the only time, like, I don't fuck with like prescription, I've never fucked with prescription pills or anything. Not my thing. Just brought out all the junkies to chat. That's my only experience with like fucking like medical grade shit, you know? That's my only real experience with medical grade shit. That's it. Never had fentanyl, never done oxys, never done perkies, never done any of that shit. So I don't even know what that feels like. I don't think I'd ever want to know because I really enjoyed it. The Dilaudid experience was quite nice. It was a pleasurable experience, and I don't, like, you get access to that. It's like, I mean, imagine you have access to that shit and you're like not feeling great one day and you're like, I could use a fucking drug hug. You know what I could go for right now? I feel down. I could go for a bit of a drug hug. Fuck that shit. No way. God, no. Just keep that shit away from me. The drug hug I got was enough to tell me that I know that I need to not be around that shit. Took a perk once after surgery and it knocked me out, yeah. Never tried anything other than devil's lettuce. I never said that. I never said that. I was just talking about drugs that are like from doctors. Klonopin is good. It's a benzo. Yeah, I've never, like, see, I don't know the feeling of any of those things. I've never had any of those ones. Overs win? Let's see. Is it overs? 1046. Let's find out together here. 52. Wow, is it actually? Wow. Damn, you guys got lucky. Overs win. Holy shit. You guys got so lucky because the next candle would have fucked you. right, we do one more here. Let's do 1106. You guys want to do a giveaway? It's up to you guys. We can do a giveaway. We'll cap off today's stream with a giveaway, and then I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna go pick up my booger bracelet. Take my jeweler to lunch. Never tried anything other than Devil's Lettuce. There you go. A 5-pack? We'll do a 5-pack tonight for Globex. How about that? We'll do full allocation tonight for Globex. We'll do that. Tune in for Globex. It'll be fun. I'll give away a Lucid and a Tradeify. One of each today. Booger bracelet. Is that for ass? Help me translate. What does that mean? You've lost me, pal. What does that even mean? I can't win without Soupy. Me neither, man. It's so hard. It's so hard. It's so difficult. Just did my best to pull your leg. Thank you. It worked. I have no idea what it means. Soupy, leave Carlos's mama. Dude, there's no way he's at Carlos's house. I was there this morning. Soupy! Soupy! Where have you been all morning? I see him. Oh my God, you say his name 3 times, he appears. Yo, where have you been? Brother Soupy, where have you been all day? Nobody here is ungrateful, Soupy. Believe me. Not a single person here is ungrateful. Done giving you call-outs? What? Brother, what? You're playing some football. Okay. How come you're not... What are you talking about? No more call-outs, brother. I literally, like, what am I supposed to do without your call-outs? Wait, hold on. Are you longing this? Because this could be a good short if you're longing this. I'm done trading, though, for the day. But if you gave me, like, one more Soupy call-out, I might just, you know... You're done when he says you're... No soup for you! That's funny. Soupy is the soup Nazi. That's insane. You're on the phone? Are you calling Warren Buffet? Who are you calling? Looks like Ripsy didn't need you today, though. I need Soupy in my life every day. I'm on the phone driving home. Oh, well, don't do that. Don't be chatting on YouTube and being on your phone. You're going to get into a car accident. By the way, red lights mean stop. I know in your world, red lights mean go. Red lights actually mean stop. I want to clear that up for you, Soupy. Do not go when the light is red. I know you're used to the opposites. So be careful. Just give a random call. Dude, people are jonesing. Dude, people are fucking jonesing for Soupy's calls right now. It's crazy. Red lights means other things in Holland. It sure does. You can go window shopping. Ba ba da da ba 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 da 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 da. Ga-dum da dum dum da dum dum. All right. I would like to direct you guys to the bottom of the screen here. Alpha Futures is now 20% off. And I'm giving away full allocation tonight. Let's go. Don't say I never make it happen. Don't say I never make it happen. 20% off. We're going to run this until the end of April, so run it up. Run it up. This is my alpha qualified funded accounts right here. Day 1. 4 more trading days. Trades aren't projecting on the screen. Is there a setting I need to turn on? That was a trick, Rips. Thanks. Now I just need to trade it for a bit to feel comfortable. Trades are not projecting on the screen. Is there a setting I need to turn on? No, just refresh it. Refresh your browser window or try a different browser. What you got today in your workout, Rips? Legs, I think. Am I doing legs today? Or did I do legs yesterday? I don't know. I have to ask my fucking I have to ask my my Whoop. Not sure. Backs and biceps? No. I'm doing arms tomorrow for Friday, I think. The Showtime pump for Friday. You know? I did legs on Monday? Oh, with Carlos's mom. You're right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. You're right. You're right. Good comms. Good comms. I forgot. Dude, I actually think I have to go to Carlos's mom later today, which is kind of annoying. Not looking forward to that, to be honest. She said something about, like, she wanted to show me this new thing she can do with her mouth. I don't know. Something like that. I don't remember. Carlos here, Mama's way. Yeah, she's coming over to my house. She said something about some weird new technique. Soupy did the short call out back there, I think, right? Soupy, you said short, right? Kurt, do you remember the part when you said the market isn't moving at all? Brother, what? That's a good song. Good remix. If every day is going to be like today, I'm about to quit my job. Do not quit your job. Do not quit your job. I'm telling you. Do not quit your job.
Do not come.
Don't quit your job. Just telling you. Being honest with you.
They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. Eat the cat. Eat the cat. They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the cats. They're eating the dogs. Eat the cat.
Which broker do you use on Alpha? You mean which trading platform? Broker is a broker. Wait, what do you mean? Which broker do you use on Alpha? What do you mean? I'm so confused.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs. The people that came in, they're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country. The cats, eat the cat, eat the cat. They're eating the dogs, they're eating
This song is outrageous, bro. This song is fucking outrageous. The fuck is this song? The chorus is ridiculous for the song.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country.
Good comms. Good comms. How much payout did you have from prop trading in the last 3 months? $7.48. Exactly, $7.48. This song is a little bit too tame for me. Hold on. Is it almost time to pay out these gambles?
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Ah, that's the best part. Ah, ah. Pay the Jovers? All right, we can do that. Oh, it's not even time yet, bro. Brian, come on, dog. Ryan, why would you say that, bro? I don't understand. Bro, it's a remix. I don't know what you're talking about. It's just remixes of these songs. The remix to Ignition. Hot and fresh out of the kitchen. Mama's rolling that body. Got everyone in here listening and missing and skitting in. Mama rolling that body. Got everyone in here skitting in. Oh, my housekeeper's here. Wait. What day is it? It's Thursday. Holy shit. I thought it was Wednesday. Yo. No wonder I don't know what muscle group I'm doing. Do we need a rap song about Carlos's mom? I don't think there's a track big enough for her. For real. For real, dog. What are the chances of this rally gonna fail here? I don't know. 7 to 1. We're probably gonna put in new highs at some point today, right?
Wrong.
Really? You don't think so?
China.
Okay. All right, we got one more minute here. Inside 1 minute. Is this a photo finish actually? No, I picked a horrible number. Jesus, what a terrible pick. Bad comms, Ripsy. I didn't get anybody offsides today on my picks. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, it's the overs, I know. But let's see. We got 30 seconds. We could have a Trump tweet right now. We could have something come out where Trump says something. It could happen. I've seen crazier shit happen, to be honest. I built bots, dashboard, and indicators. What do you need? Nothing. Good. Overs. All right, let's do it. That's the overs. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ripsmod, if you would please drop the link for Lucid in chat first. Link for Lucid first, please. The link for Lucid, please. Por favor. Por favor. Por favor. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Is Ripsmod here? Oh, there you go. Lucid. Oh, Tim did it. I don't think Ripsmod is here. Oh, God. What do I pay them for? What do I pay him for? Why? So sad. It's so sad. Okay, let me drop the link myself here. Okay. Click that link. It's gonna be making pennies. Is 60K a year pennies? I don't think so. Maybe in your village. All right, scroll down on that page. Step 2, trade to earn payouts, right? 90-10 profit split, no payout blanks. No payout blanks. Look at Slayer, just literally just guessing here. Should I might mute you because you just like, why don't you just fucking follow the rules, bro? The fuck? Why would you not just like, how fucking lazy are people, bro? I asked you to click a link and scroll down on the page and you're so fucking lazy for a free fucking account. $300. You can't catch me clicking a link and scrolling down on a page, bro. Fuck that shit. I ain't doing it. Fuck that shit, bro. Can't catch me doing it. Fuck that shit, bro. Nope, not me. Nah, man, fuck that noise, bro. Miss me with that shit. Yo, miss me with that shit, bro. Listen here, miss me with that shit. I ain't doing that. Fuck that noise. Yo, fuck that noise. I ain't clicking shit, brother. Free Lucid account. Who's it going to? Good luck. See who's going to. I bang Carlos's mom. Good comms. Let's go, baby. I bang Carlos's mom. Big winner. What a great fucking name. All right, let's see. I bang Carlos's mom. There we go. Toussaint on X. Cool. Good comms, buddy. Good fucking comms. All right. Do another one here in a minute. I'm going to do another one here in a minute. Good fucking comms. Great name, by the way. I love your name. Great fucking comms on the name. All right, I'm going to drop another link since Ripsmod is in here. I'm going to do it myself. Dock their pay. You know, as you do. As you fucking do. Oh, we got a giveaway song finally. Can we get some fucking dancing emojis and kick? We need the Gandalf fucking dancing one. Great fucking song. All right. Final giveaway of the day. The keyword. All right. Let me drop the link for Tradeify. Click that link. Click that link. Scroll down on the page. And it says, choose your account blank. Evaluation price shown below. No hidden fees, no activation costs. Pass once. Choose your payout schedule later. Choose your account blank. Easy. Easy fucking game, huh?
Shaking.
All right, this is for a Tradeify. You have to pick what you want. You can either pick a Tradeify select or growth account. Select or growth. You ready? Final winner of the day. Here we go. Bang! All right. Let me know what your name is on Instagram or Twitter, and then let me know whether you want to select or growth. You tell me, brother. Tell me what you want, what you need, what you want, what you need, what you want, what you fucking want, what you need, what you want. Bang, bang, what you need, what you need, what you want. It's gotta pop up here. There it is. Okay, select. Gotcha. Good fucking comms, everybody. Good fucking comms. 50K select coming your way. All right, everybody. That's my show. That's my show today. I'll be back for Globex with a little frostbite. It's gonna be great. I'll see you guys tonight. We had a great day today. We hit payout on funded seat, max profit on Tradeify Lightning, max profit. Well, not max profit. You can make anything you want, but a very good profit in our Alpha Futures, Alpha Funded accounts. I love you all. Thanks for tuning in. Be good. Be safe. And I'll see you guys tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Central. Take care. Bye-bye. See ya. See ya.